Hello YouTubers, I'm here trying to fix an LG 47LM6400, and as you can see, this thing has got some issues. I wonder if you can see that, lines across the whole screen. Now I've already fiddled with all the ribbons, changed out the logic board, still same old lines. So right now I'm trying to screen share with my PC to see if that's going to jump start it. Audio works, but nothing else. So one second, I'll give you an audio test. You can hear that. Audio, but no picture. So tell me what you think it is. Here, I'll show you the back. So as you can see on this thing, there's only two boards, and there's the two little boards underneath down there, but I already wiggled the cables and there's nothing. So what do you think? Let me know. Comment.